Today, we will discuss the topic precision and accuracy in measurement and metrology. First of all, we have to discuss that what is the precision. The terms precision and accuracy are used in the connection with the performance of the instrument or where if the value that we have to measure. Precision is the repeatability of the measuring process. For example, that the device from which we have to measure, then we repeat many times for find the correct value. It refers to the group of measurements for the same characteristics taken under identical conditions. It indicates to what extent the identically performed measurements agree with each other. If the instrument is not precise, it will give different values for the same dimension when measured again and again. The set of observations will scatter about the mean. The scatter of these measurements is designated as 0, that is calibration of the instrument for the standard deviation. It is used as an index of precision. The less the scattering, more precise is the instrument. Thus, lower the value of 0, the more precise the instrument, in which if the system will be calibrate, then we get the exact value, or we can say the precise value. Now the accuracy. Accuracy is the degree of closeness, or the degree to which the measured value of the quality characteristics agree with the true value. Means we can say that if we reach to the true value or the closeness of the true value, then we can say that is the accurate value or the accuracy. The difference between the true value and the measured value is known as error of the measurement. Error shows that how much we far from the true value. It is practically difficult to measure exactly the true value, and therefore a set of observation is made whose mean value is taken as the true value of the quality measured. And now we discuss the difference between precision and accuracy. Accuracy is very often confused with precision, though much different. The distinction between the precision and accuracy will become clear by the following example. Several measurements are made on component by different type of instruments, such as 1, 2, 3, or first, second, third, or you can say ABC, and the results are plotted. In any set of measurements, the individual measurements are scattered about the mean, and the precision signifies how well the various measurements performed by same instrument on the same quality characteristics agree with each other. Precision and accuracy we can clearly see in the diagram. In the first diagram we can say that this is shows that precise value and not accurate value, means the difference between true value and average value is very high, and the whole measuring value shows around the average value. That is clear that the value is precise but not accurate. But in the second diagram we can see that the value is accurate but not precise, because the error between average value and true value is not high, and the measured value is nearly closest to the true value. Then we can say the value is measured value is accurate but not precise. In the next diagram it shows that the value measured value is accurate and also precise, because the difference between average value and true value is lump sum negligible, and the measured value is also close to the true value, and the value is also precise. Then we can say that this shows that the accurate and precise value. The difference between the mean of set of readings on the same quality characteristic and the true value is called as error. Less the error, more accurate is the instrument. In shows in the figure that the instrument A is precise since the result of number of measurements are close to the average value. However, there is a large difference, we can say error, between the true value and the average value, hence it is not accurate. The readings taken by the instruments are scattered much from the average value, and hence it is not precise but accurate, as there is a small difference between the average value and true value. Then we can say the value is accurate or precise. That is the precision and accuracy. Thank you.